Hello. One of the things that has been so helpful to me in my healthcare and my sanity in general is having a meditation practice. And I know that that's not easy for everyone. In my working with my students at the college and also friends and family and just talking to people, a lot of people try to meditate and get frustrated and stop almost immediately. And it takes a little bit more discipline to kind of stick with it and really see the benefits of it. So I wanted to give people a way into meditation, a way to kind of start a practice that's not so overwhelming. So my recommendation to you all is to try to find a way to pause in your day. Now, studies have shown that meditation has so many health benefits for us, and one of them that I've been most interested in is that it calms the nervous system and has an impact on the vagus nerve and the vagal tone in our body, which is a huge deal for me with ME/CFS and fibromyalgia and migraines. That's an important component for me, and I have seen progress in that way. So if you're feeling a little off center right now, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, this is something that can also help you kind of find your center again and feel focused and kind of in yourself versus out of your body. So my recommendation is to try setting an alarm on your phone for 2 times during the day. It doesn't matter what the times are, whatever works for you. And then when that alarm goes off, and I like to make the alarm something pleasant, so not like a rant, 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 because it's like jarring. I try to make it like a bell or a chime or something that's pleasant and kind to you and is relaxing and calming and feels nice to hear. So when you hear that, what you would do is take 3 deep breaths. If you can, sit down or lie down, be still. Close your eyes. You want to do it with me? Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. So you breathe in through your nose, and then you can breathe out through your nose or through your mouth. Sometimes I like to sigh it out. 2, and 3. Keep it slow and easy. And then just take a pause, see how you feel. You can open your eyes again. You can go about your day. Do that twice a day. Set an alarm. When the chime goes off, try to sit down, lie down, be still, take 3 deep breaths. Now, the way that this becomes a meditation practice is that each day you try to increase it. So maybe the next day or in 2 days you do 4 breaths. Also, if you sit down and you start breathing and you're done your 4 breaths, but it still feels good, just stay there and breathe a little longer. And then every day you can kind of extend it a bit until you're sitting there and maybe you're meditating for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or an hour. Who knows? Um, I think you can see a lot of benefits from trying this. And I know that meditation isn't for everyone. Sometimes different meditations work for different people, like coloring or walking or mindful eating. There's a ton of ways to be mindful in your life. So if you find that the breathing isn't helpful to you, maybe you set your alarm and when your alarm goes off, you color for a few minutes or you walk around your house and do some mindful walking for a few minutes. So whatever works for you. I hope that you're finding a way to be centered in these difficult times, and I hope that you are well.